Continuing on with 225's assignment, which were review questions. Linear function is graphed below. What is the slope? The first thing you need to look at when you look at this is a negative slope. Okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to rise over run and then rise over run. But here I'm going to fall. And I fall 9. And then I run 6, which is negative 9 over 6. And that is negative 1.5. So when you bubble this in, you would have to bubble the negative and then 1.5. So negative 1.5. So a lot of you got the 1.5, but you did not do the negative. When you did your answer, you had to indicate the negative. So I looked at it, whether you bubbled it. Some of you did 1.5 and you did not do negative 1.5, two different answers. All right. Given a traffic cone, and right here is the biggest one, base diameter and height of 28, and I want volume. So volume equals 1/3 big BH. Okay, and so it's 1/3 pi r, but diameter is 12, so r is 6. 6 times 6 times 28. And when you do that, you get C. Now, the most common thing that people forget is their third, is this third right here. Because remember, cylinder is big BH and cones are 1/3 BH. All right. Number 5. We have struggled mightily with this one. But what I'm doing is I have 1.2 times, and that is a scale factor. And so how is area affected by scale factor? And remember, old area times scale factor squared equals new area. So I would do 1.2 squared, which is 1.44. 1.2 squared is 1.44. So it says the area, no. Okay, the area, which means scale factor squared again, would be 1.44, no. The perimeter is 4.8 times, and remember that old perimeter times just the scale factor equals new perimeter. So you would take the old perimeter and multiply it by your scale factor, and that's not 4.8, so that's no. The perimeter is 1.2, and that is the exact definition of what dimensional change of perimeter is all you do is you take the perimeter and multiply it by the scale factor. And then we get here, and let me erase some of this stuff so it's not as confusing. We'll just have this box right here, and here we go. So Cassius is purchasing flower baskets to be placed on each table at a volunteer appreciation store. Charges $19.2 per basket plus a delivery fee. I'm going to take that statement right there, and I'm going to underline delivery fee, and on per I'm going to put an X. My delivery fee does not change, but my $19.25 per basket does. So I'm going to scratch out everything that does not have a $19.25 X. Okay, so then B charges $17.50 per flower basket and $3 delivery fee. Again, we're looking for per basket, so per is X, and we have it here, and we have it here. So we're down to C and D. Which inequality, there we go, maximum that can be ordered the A less than B, and A is less than B, and that looks like an L. Oops, that looks like an L, my sloppy L. Therefore 6 is D. So those are the rest of them on that page. I'm going to come back and do your compound interest problem and show you how that one is done in the next video.